Alright, hello and welcome to new System Test 7, Take 3. As you can see, I've gone fully Edwards Systems technology device-wise. Well, excluding the Sentry and the Hochiki rebranded Simplex Hochiki rebranded detector. It's Hochiki made for Simplex. Completely struggled my sentence there. Of course, with the Edwards, the EST 270 SPO from Ryan O'Brien from Edwards. In here we got the LED Genesis and the Edwards 270 DPO. I guess first we'll go ahead and pull this. Very loud. Ouch. And I said I'd make this quick and easy re-verification with Edwards 270 DPO. And finally get that darn thing open. I'm going to show you. Perfect EST sync. Amazing. And there we go. That'll do it for quick and easy new System Test 7. Bye bye everybody.